The figures. I know I'm crying cause you just won't change. I wish I could hurt you back. Love, what would you do if you couldn't get me back? That's what I wish that I could do to you. To you. Man, I forgot I was recording What's Happening, y'all. So if you're still alive, man, congratulations. Today I'm gonna show you how to play this tune, which is kinda got balls, man. This tune got balls, you know what I'm saying? Because this is alright, check it out, man. This is a chord progression, right? That if you play the guitar, you start playing the guitar. I don't know where you at right now. Put it in the comment section down below because I really want to know where you at in your guitar playing. While you at it, click that subscribe button, that big red button. Just click on it, man. Just like that. Click. And then hit that notification bell as well. This is, this chord progression is kind of, it's a classic one because of, you know what I'm saying, knocking on heaven's door, right? It is what it is. I mean, if you get, the lady, I mean, she did an incredible job because she really, besides the fact that she's an incredible artist, like, is one of my top favorite artists right now because we don't listen to the radio, her song, at least now where I'm from, where I'm at right now, but it's an incredible tune. She's an incredible fucking artist. I mean, where did she come from? I don't know. All of a sudden, I'm listening to her and I'm like, Jesus, man, I wish I could just tap that thing, man. Because, man, you know what I'm saying? It's an incredible tune. This one is a very incredible one. And when I say got balls, because, she took this very, very famous chord progression and she wrote something amazing. You know what I'm saying? So, let's learn how to play it, though. You know what I'm saying? Because this is what you're here for, right? So you're not here for me, right? You're here for the song. So we got a G, and I'm gonna show you how to, the rhythm pattern in just a moment. So you go G, D, A, C. All right. Now, for the picking pattern, right? For the picking pattern. This one is kind of classic, meaning, you know what I'm saying? Because when you start doing your picking, again, I don't know where you at right now with your guitar playing, but this is what we usually do, especially, I say this all the time, but when you're not doing anything special with your guitar, you're just playing, chords or whatever, you don't use the pick, which you should, because this is part of the tools that you must get yourself to take your guitar playing to a whole new level. And of course, this bitch right here, man, if you don't play on a daily basis and learning new stuff, I mean, you're gonna spend 10 years, you're gonna look back and say, what I did with this thing? Nothing. You know what I'm saying? This is something that you gotta practice on a daily basis. It is what it is, man. Like your fingers, if you don't do this every day, and it becomes a habit, so you don't consciously do, you subconsciously pick your guitar at least once a day, your fingers just won't work. Even though you want to do little scales, right? I was learning these scales, past few days, and this is what it is, man. If you don't do on a daily basis, you're gonna lose it. So when you don't use the pick, back to what I was saying, you do this little picking pattern, which is just this is the basic picking pattern that you learn, right? Thumb, and then you may go backward. Bum bum bum. You know what I'm saying? So, and this is basically how you play the song. This is how the baby, she's playing it, right? She's just doing it G, and that shit kills it, you know what I'm saying? Kills it in the sense, you know, in a good way. Figures, I know I'm crying, cause you just want change. Love, figures, you write it down and you gave me games. I wish I could hurt you back. Love, what would you do if you couldn't get me by? That's what I wish that I could do to you. And then it goes for the chorus. So you get what I'm saying? So this one is very easy to play. Take these chords, write your own stuff. You know, take a shot at it, man. Take a shot at it. Get balls, man. And you know, we can do that. We can do too. Like I kind of did wrote a song with these chord progression. I'm always though, you know what I'm saying, when it comes to these this particular chord progression, I don't get that creative juice. I mean, if I want to, I can get it, but I just play Knocking on Heaven's Door, and I start singing, playing Knocking on Heaven's Door, and then I might go into another chord progression. You see what I'm doing right now? So I'm doing this chord progression, all of a sudden I'm hearing this. And it sounds good. I'm not using the circle of fifths. I'm not using any theory. By the way, whatever you add with your guitar skills, I put some links in the description for one, tools and gears that you need to get yourself to get this thing to a whole new level. And two, how this thing works, man. How you gonna learn not only playing the song, but how the song are written. So you can replicate that and put, you know, at the end of the year as a resolution, you have your little CD, your little album, your little song. You can come back to it and say, yeah, I learned to play the guitar, but I did something with it. Because you don't know nothing unless you use what you learn. You understand me? So check those links. And as I was saying, you see, I don't know if this chords has any sense in theory, but it sounds good. So I might write to this chord progression. Back to what I was saying, I never wrote anything I can consciously remember with these chords. But then if you use, you know, these chords to, maybe you making beats, you know what I'm saying? Maybe you do things with your computer, so you can use these chords and put it in your DAW, find pads, find different sound, you know, and create something completely different. With a different tempo, with a different drums. Drums make genre usually, so you know, all that good stuff. And by the way, again, you know, you can use the theory behind this chord progression to come up with thousands and thousands of chord progressions, if you know what I mean. So thank you so much for watching. This was Reyez Figures. I mean, she's fucking incredible, dog. She's incredible. So shout out to her. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. Stick around the channel, you know what I'm saying, because we put this a little tutorial or whatever for fun, you know what I'm saying. And yeah, see you later, man. Thank you. Peace. Figures, I know I'm crying cause you just want change. I wish I could hurt you back. Love, what would you do if you couldn't get me back? That's what I wish that I could do to you.